Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about fmau.com reviews. In this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of the site and it is the website or online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including game character themed based apparels, accessories and plushies. If you want to visit the product category list, then you need to visit the menu option button and you will find the different product category. Now guys, talking about payment information, so you need to visit the FAQ section to know more about the payment info. So here is the about us section guys, and you can see you need to scroll or you need to check the payment info section, and you can see they currently accept payments via credit, debit cards or PayPal. Now talking about other information, let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So let's check out the shipping time frame and delivery information. So guys, this is the shipping policy page, and according to the website details, you can check out the duration, and shipment within the US is delivered in 9 to 12 working days, and the duration for international orders will be 12 to 15 working days. So this is the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol and has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 24th of June 2014. So guys, this duration or this domain age factor define its legitimacy, as this is an old website, but this is not enough to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the about us page of the site. So this is the about us page and they have provided the entire information guys, which is a good sign. Here on this page you can find the entire information related to the business and their hierarchies. Now guys, talking about contact details, let's check out the contact us page of the site. So this is the contact us page. Guys, they have provided the email address and official address, but they have not provided the contact number, which is a negative sign. So you need to connect with the company's representatives via email address. And talking about a social media presence, so let's check out the social media presence of the site. So guys, the site has no social media presence at all on any social media platform, which is a negative sign. And apart from that, talking about the return policy, let's check out the return policy. But for that, you need to visit the FAQ section again, guys. So here is the section returns and cancellations. So guys, they have provided 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about fmau.com reviews, we have found no customer reviews on the official website, which is a negative sign. But yes, we have found that these sellers' products are also sold at different reliable online stores, and these products are praised within 4.4 star rating or 3.9 star rating on different platforms, guys. So this is a positive sign. Guys, the product reviews define its legitimacy, and talking about the seller's website customer review. So guys, the seller's website lacks in customer reviews, which is a negative sign, which makes a confusion. But yes, according to the in-depth research, guys, this website is popular and as the domain name of the site is too old, and The site has an excellent ranking on Alexa. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 80%. So these are the factors, guys, that define its legitimacy. And in the final conclusion, we can conclude that the website appears to be a legit website, but yes, research is needed, guys. So if you want to give it a try, then you need to research at your level as well. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you, guys.